Vice President Sara Duterte?
Opo, Your Honor.
When you were SDO of Davao City, your duty pertains to dispersing confidential funds appropriated for Davao City, correct?
Hindi ko maklaro ang
Nung noon pong SDO kayo, ang duty niyo po ay ang pag-disperse ng confidential funds para sa Davao City, tama po?
tama po.
And you also prepared and submitted liquidation documents during that time, correct po?
Tama po.
And when you were SDO of Davao City, there is no audit observation memorandum. Commission
Morning po.
Sir
Sir Bert po, ma'am.
there is no audit observation memorandum issued by the Commission on Audit
Mahilo.
Ang laki ko kasi.
Kaya ayoko sa likod din si Shane.
Likewise, no notice of
Gusto mo ko laging may
against
Hanga, ng isang lalaki sa Cebu matapos siya
and there is no notice of suspension
Yan daw
against
mag-i-stage dyan.
then Mayor Sara Duterte, correct?
Kapag na
Wala pong notice of disallowance.
Di ba 2 days lang?
Laban sa inyo, wala po.
Oo.
Wala rin
Tapos
pong
5
notice
days
of
ang pwede
disallowance
coach.
laban sa kay dating Mayor Sara Duterte, tama po?
Tama po, wala.
And the Commission on Audit
Wala siya.
did not reopen any audit for confidential funds of Davao City, correct?
Correct po.
Your Honor, sorry, but I have to interject a continuing objection to this series of questions. May statement ground?
I think I know what your ground is, Counsel, but you may do so for the
Your
record.
Honor, magically, now this witness remembers what happened in Davao. Kanina, when the prosecution was asking her, sabi niya,
Counsel is testifying, Your Honor.
wait, incompetent!
Ayaw na.
Counsel is testifying.
Well,
We'll give you that
objection
objection.
will be dismissed
Kasi
overruled,
nga yung iba,
Counsel.
sa company may-ari na.
Counsel may proceed.
Kasi mga
And when you were STO of Davao City,
Dalawa sila, pero
it is the joint circular which is already in effect, correct?
Yes po.
And you are aware of the requirements of the joint circular regarding your functions as the
Yung mga
special dispersing officer.
ano yung parang
Yes, Your
usapan yun
Honor.
ng
You mentioned also that you were the special dispersing officer of the Office of the Vice President for its confidential funds from quarter 4 of 2022 until quarter 3 of 2023. Correct?
Tama po, Your Honor.
And similar with your tasks in Davao City, you also prepared the documents for liquidation.
Opo, Your Honor.
Sa mga
As SDO, you were not part of any confidential operations of the agency, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
tawag dito?
You have no experience in confidential operations.
Wala po akong experience niyan, Your Honor.
You do not know how confidential operations are done on the ground.
Hindi,
Wala
yung
po akong
Maynila
alam niyan, Your Honor.
You have not undergone any formal training regarding confidential operations or activities.
Wala po akong training na ganyan.
You are not aware of the operational security required when it comes to confidential operations, correct?
Yes po.
Yes, filter.
Wala po kayong military background.
Japan.
Wala po akong
May law enforcement background po ba kayo?
ano po yun.
Do you have a law enforcement background?
Kasi
Wala po ako
kapag may
niyan, Your
mga-
Honor.
When you were STO of the ODP, you have no authority to access security information, correct?
Yes po.
Wala rin po kayong authority to access classified information.
Yes po.
May minsan pa.
You were not also given any security clearance in the ODP.
Oo, siya naman naman.
And because
Pero may ano siya,
the STO of Davao City, you remain familiar with the joint circular, correct?
Familiar po, a little, Your Honor.
The joint circular
Wala ka ng problem.
does not require you,
Boss niya, may boss din.
an STO, to
Hindi,
be
parang
personally
kasi boss
involved
na
in the
yun.
agency's confidential
Nagka-boss
operations.
lang sila kasi nga for other requirements.
Pag nasira kaya kotse niya na wala.
That's the job.
Sana.
That's the job by an SDO to disperse confidential funds.
Your Honor, the prosecution also inquired as to the contents of the joint circular. I'm examining the witness, Your Honor. If there is such a provision.
The question is misleading.
Witness may answer as you know, so I'll allow it, Counsel.
Kindly answer the question. The joint circular does not require you, an STO, to be personally involved in the agency's confidential operations. On the ground.
Ground na yan.
Wala pong sinabi ang circular, Your Honor.
Wala rin po bang sinabi sa joint circular na kailangan
Ganun yan.
Ganun ba yan? Ganun ba yun?
sa confidential operations?
Wala din, Your Honor, sa aking pagka-understand.
Basta ano
May
nila yan,
nakalagay rin po ba
parang
sa joint circular na kailangan may kaalaman kayo kung paano ginagawa ang confidential activities?
Wala ko naka-encounter, Your Honor, sa GC.
Nire-require din po ba kayo ng joint circular na mag-undergo ng formal na training para sa confidential activities?
Wala, Your
Ang
Honor.
branding nila naman.
Nire-require po ba kayo ng joint circular na dapat ang STO merong military background?
Di ba dati ka nagregalo ka ng
Wala ko
shields kay
kabasahan na,
Lowell?
Your Honor.
Wala rin ng law enforcement background. Wala rin
Daniel
ng requirement.
Wellington.
Wala, Your Honor.
Branding nila
Nire-require
yun.
pa ng joint circular na ang isang
Tsaka
special
kwintas.
disbursing officer
Tsaka,
Quintas.
kailangan may authority to
Na
access
ganun din,
security
kasama.
information.
magkano yung shades?
Ewan ko, 8K yung mahigit.
Wala, Your Honor.
Yun talaga yung pampiloto.
Nire-require din po ba ng joint circular na ang STO kailangan
Drop na natin yun sila. So maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli po yung God bless. Paalam po.
the documents which is submitted to the COA, correct?
Pansamantala po.
Ano po, Your
Kung nagpe-prepare kayo ng liquidation